The S blend is a combination of the S sound with another consonant sound following it. So, if you need help with your sounds, check out my video on S first. Then, figure out which word you're having trouble with, and you'll know exactly which letter to look at to go along with the S sound. So if there's two sounds you're having trouble with, check out both videos. Okay, so let's do some practice together. We're going to practice with phrases. The S blend sound will be in the beginning of one of the words or both. Copy me. Sleeping star. Sparkly anchor. Spiced flavor. Big stinger. Cotton swaddle. State fair. Home sweet home. Small lake. Fruit snack. Cotton swab. Roller skate. Big stage. Orange slice. Yellow sponge. Smooth jazz. Smelly trash. Fidget spinner. Big sniff. Stuffed animal. Small calf. High speed. Scout patches. Always scratching. Now let's try a few words in the middle or medial part of one of the words of our phrase. Repeat after me. Plastic boomerang. Red lipstick. Laundry basket. Pesky pigeon. Orchestra rehearsal. Now let's practice a few words or phrases with the final position for the sound. Repeat after me. Fast food. Forest ranger. Oldest child. Fast car. You did great. If there were any phrases you had trouble with, go back, say them again, and find the S sound. Then watch my videos for the S sound and the consonant following that S. Okay, don't forget, if you have questions, just comment down below. I'm here to help you out. All right, I'll see you soon. Keep up the good work and keep practicing. Bye.